Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Leo placements. This is your general situation pagdating sa mga connection and the person on your mind reading. Okay, this is for the end of April. Okay, hanggang end ng April. So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po, no? And sa mga nagtatanong about or mga items. So protection from evil eye, meron tayo nun. And love bracelet and granter necklace and yung ating cord cutting. Okay? So, yeah. Message na lang po. Ha? Okay, wag sa comment section. Yeah. Hindi kami nagre-reply sa comment section. Kapag may nakita kayong same name ko na nag-reply ng PM sent, hindi kami yun. Okay? So, let's start the reading. What's for you in general? Leo placements. Okay. Excuse me. Leo. Three of Pentacles in reversed. Okay. So, yung may mga issue dito pagdating sa pera. Pwedeng mas re-resolve na. Okay? May perang darating iba sa inyo. Yeah. Specific. May mga hindi na ibigay before or mga na pending or mga hindi tawag dyan na-approve. Meron ako nakikita ditong pwedeng ma-approve na. Pwedeng magiging okay na. Yes, tit! Diba? So, yeah, this is talking about money. Some of you, meron ditong parang matatanggap ng isang sitwasyon. Okay? Could be a connection, I think. And pwedeng third party. Ang nakikita ko dito, parang maayos na, ma-fix na, I think. Okay? So, leveling up or next level na energy pagdating sa kaperahan. Some of you. I'm hearing promotion. Iba rin sa inyo. Okay? Yeah. The Three of Swords. Parang hindi naging okay before and then yeah, mas magiging okay na ngayon. Yes. What else? The Five of Wands in reversed. The Devil in reverse. So, ang mga sinasabi dito magaganda actually. Okay? So, parang malilesen yung mga drama. Makakaalis na sa mga toxic na sitwasyon or connection if ever. Ano tong Five of Wands in reverse. Yeah, the Ace of Swords. Decisions, cutting off, parang ganyan. Kalinawan, kasagutan. Okay? So, makakapagplano, excuse me, makakapag-isip na ng matuwid, parang ganyan yung iba sa atin. Okay? So, in general, meron ditong energy about good plans, good ideas, good results, if ever. May hingi ng sorry, may magme-message. What else? The Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you have to watch your spending. Okay? Watch your spending, Leos. The Queen of Swords in reversed. Just be ready. If ever. Okay? Sinasabi dito na magkaroon ka ng ipon, parang ganyan, save. Okay? Yeah, the Four of Pentacles. This is saving. Some of you, ikaw itong parang mag-open ng saving account, whatsoever. Okay? What's with this Queen of Swords in reversed? The Lovers in reversed. Some of you, this is like an advice. Okay? Kung ikaw itong parang nakaasa ka sa connect mo, okay, this is not for all. Kung ikaw lang itong nakaasa sa connect mo para makakain ka, mas maganda magkaroon ka ng sarili mong pinagkakakitaan. Okay? Yeah. Anyway. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. So, siguro, para din sa'yo yun. Okay? Para hindi ka nakaasa na lang din if ever. No? So, there. That's an advice. Hindi yun para sa lahat. So, i-take mo kung naka-resonate ka dun. Excuse me. So, next. Ano bang meron pagdating sa love situations? Anong meron? Kuha tayo ng dalawang kwento, no? Dalawang sitwasyon in love. Leo, anong meron? Anong sitwasyon to? The Hermit in reverse. Oh, merong ng ghost. Ginost ka ba? Some of you could be dealing with a Virgo. Yeah, meron ditong parang feeling left out. Yeah. Ikaw ba itong naghahanap sa isang tao? Parang feeling mo, walang-wala na. Parang ganyan. The Knight of Cups. I'm seeing here energy ng parang on off or hot cold, inconsistent emotion na nandito, the Knight of Cups. Yeah, the Five of Pentacles, yeah. Meron ditong magme-message. Or pwedeng ikaw ito, magme-message. Pero, nandyan yung parang, kayo wag na lang. Parang ganun. Pero, meron ditong Knight of Cups. This is like an action. Pwedeng ikaw ito magme-message. And then, aalisin mo rin. Parang ganyan. The Five of Pentacles. Yeah, you need a person, actually. Or vice versa. Okay? You need communication, maybe. Action from them. Yeah, the Sun in reverse. They're sad. They're confused. I think this is you. Kung ikaw itong gagawa nito, nakikita ko na pwedeng malungkot ka lang, confused ka lang. Meron ka lang mga gustong i-express, malaman. Yeah. The Six of Pentacles is here. This is forgiveness, or maybe this is talking about having another chance with someone. Parang ganun. Yeah, Two of Cups in reverse and the Three of Cups. Oh, meron ditong energy na parang natatakot na may mag-move on na. Kaya parang nandyan yung parang may manggugulo yung energy, may manggugulo. So, wala akong nakikita ditong clear action kung bakit gagawin to. Ang nakikita ko lang dito is hindi gustong makawala totally yung isa. Kaya parang gagawa ng isang hakbang. Okay? Para maguluhan din yung isa. Okay, it's telling me na parang, hoy, nandito pa rin ako ha. Parang ganon. Baka nakaka-move on ka na, wag mong gagawin. Parang ganon. Yeah. Anyway. So, may nakikita akong ganon na sitwasyon. Parang, ano bang meron? Parang ganyan. Okay? So, if there's this no concrete na or solid na action coming from this person or coming from a person, then confused lang din yung person, I think. Okay? So, what else? Ano pa ba ang situation meron sa mga Leo? Okay, the Emperor in reverse could be an Aries. The Six of Pentacles, the Six of the Six of Cups in reverse. Meron ditong abusado. Okay? Meron ditong abusado. Giving you trauma. Giving you bitterness, hatred, or something like pwedeng sila to pagdating sa'yo. Anong meron? Some of you, this is like a father or a mother figure, or could be tatay or nanay ng anak mo. Yeah, this is jealousy. Anong meron dito? Anong meron? The Ace of Pentacles. Some of you, you're doing good pagdating sa kaperahan mo. And feeling nila parang left out sila or parang namamaliit. Okay? Iba sa inyo pwedeng sabihin nating babalik to, pero walang pagbabago. Gusto lang nila ng sa iba sa inyo. Okay? Yeah, the Ten of Wands. Mahirap yung buhay without you. Some of them, they're regretting something. They're regretting everything they did. Okay? Yeah. Being responsible. They see you somebody like an empress, emperor. Yeah. Pwedeng asawa mo to. You have here a pair. Okay? So, pwedeng pera. Ang isang nakikita ko dito. Some of them, they have a lot of insecurities. Yung energy dito, it's like ida-down ka pa ng ida-down ng taong to, even though sila talaga yung nasa lower frequency. They're like a manipulator. They will manipulate you. Gusto ng taong to na mag-work ka ng mag-work. Okay? For them. They're controlling you, I think. Okay? Makasarili yung person. Mahirap yung sitwasyon mo, Leo, with this person. Giving you a lot of traumas. Andyan palagi yung pag makikipagbalikan ka, lagi lang ang hirap, mabigat. So, I think, kung ganito man, no, sabihin natin, mas magiging okay ka kung wala to. I'm getting the energy of codependency with this person. Ikaw yung strong dito, not them. Okay? So, may chance na may makipagbalikan or makipag-ayos. Nanay or tatay ng anak mo. Dahil kailangan ka nila, the benefits maybe, the pera, parang ganyan. Pero ikaw itong mas mahihirapan eh. Excuse me. The King of Wands, the Three of Swords. Ikaw lang din mahihirapan dito. Kung pipiliin mo ulit na bumalik or makipag-ayos. This is you. Yeah. Strength, 'di ba? So, ikaw yung strong dito. Dapat hindi ka mamamanipula nitong taong to. The Emperor Universe at sa manipulator. The King of Wands kanina nakita natin is somebody who has dark side. Okay, meaning to say, may chance na mag-cheat, may chance na mangontrol, magmanipula. Okay, so there. So, tayo tumungo na sa person on your mind. Okay? Let's see. Who is this person, Leo? So, the person on your mind. What's with them? Anong meron? Leo. The World. Pwedeng LDR kayo. Pwedeng malayo kayo sa isa't isa. Could be a fixed sign. Taurus, Scorpio, Leo, and Aqua. What's with the World? Some of you, this is online. Okay, the Four of Pentacles. Some of them, they love to travel. They save money for travels. Okay. Some of you, pwedeng malayo sa'yo to, pero hindi sila nagiging open na pagdating sa pera. pwedeng may nagkaroon ng limit. May nangyaring limit. Pwedeng kasal kayo nito. Iba sa inyo. Kunin nyo lang ha kung anong nakaka-resonate. Some of you kasi may mga, sabihin nating kasal na sa taong to. May responsibilidad itong taong to na magbigay ng pera sa'yo, magpadala, pero hindi nila na ginagawa, or sabihin natin hindi na ganun kaganda. That's specific. Okay? Some of them in general may tinatago sa'yo. Kasi, yun nga, may chance na magkahiwalay kayo ngayon, like, distance. Parang may ganyan. Okay? May distansya. I don't know if this is talking about separation. Kasi sa world, the world is talking about endings rin. Parang ganyan. And parang may nag-stop. In general. So, anong kailangan mong malaman sa person mo, Leo? Okay, the Ten of Pentacles. Yeah, pwedeng mag-asawa kayo nito, may anak kayo nito. The Six of Cups. The King of Wands Universe. The Seven of Wands. This person, sabihin natin na parang kung ano man yung mga nagawa niya sa'yo sa past, nire-regret nila yon. So, kinuha lang natin kung anong meron sa kanya, kung anong mga nangyari. Okay? Kung ano siya. So, sa ngayon, ang nakikita ko dito, namimiss anak nyo. Kung may anak kayo. Okay? Namimiss niya yun. In general, gusto niyang kumonek sa'yo. Ngayon. Okay? Pwedeng may nag-end sa inyo. Sa ngayon, they miss you. Yeah, they miss you. Meron silang mga regrets, if ever. They want to reach out. Yeah. May pagkukulang siya, alam niya yun. Lalo na sa mga anak nyo, kung meron. Sa connection nyo, may pagkukulang siya. Yeah, the Empress in reverse. So, siguro, iba sa inyo, parang hinayaan mo lang din to. So, sa ngayon, para siyang nakakapag-isip. Okay? Nakakapag-isip about sa connection nyo. What is your emotion right now? The Six of Swords. Gusto nito na mayroong ayusin. Okay? Sa situation niyo sa ngayon. Plano. Yeah. Stepping up. Okay? This is stepping up. Being responsible, I think. Andun yung parang magpapakananay or magpapakatatay na siya. Magiging responsible na kakonect if ever. Andyan yung pag-amin kung may mga kasalanan. Yeah, stepping up in general. Being responsible. They like you still. They want you still. The family na meron kayo. The connection na meron kayo. Kung parang may energy na parang kung gugustuhin mo na maging open muli sa kanya, yeah, mag-step up siya. Parang ganun. Okay? Kung wala namang issue rito, pwedeng magkalayo lang kayo. Kailangan nyo lumayo para makapag-ipon. Yeah, nandyan na yung sabihin natin nakakaipon naman siya. Ito ibang scenario ha. Huwag nyong kukunin lahat. So, they miss you. Gusto na umuwi ng taong to, I think. Or gusto na makasama ka. They want to settle down. Okay? They see long-term with you. Kung hindi pa kayo kasal nito. Okay? Kung hindi pa kayo kasal. Gusto na ito na mag-level up kayo pagdating sa connection. I'm seeing here proposal. Yes. So, dalawa yung story na nakita ko dito. So, kunin nyo lang kung anong in nyo. Hindi yun lahat para sa'yo. Okay? Kung hindi ka nakaka-resonate, well, maybe this is not your reading. Okay? So, let's see. Anong next action niya towards you, Leo? Judgment. So, decision making. Okay? The Judgment in reversed. Decisions. the Devil. Okay, so andyan yung sabihin nating gustong-gusto na, no, na gumawa ng hakbang patungo sa'yo. Some of them are just, waiting for the right timing. Okay? They have plans pagdating sa pakikipag-reconcile or pakikipag-ayos. Okay? Or sabihin nating plans pagdating sa pagle-level up ng sitwasyon. I'm seeing here marriage. Okay? So, yeah, in general, gusto lang ng taong to na maging okay na yung situation ninyo. Maging stable, I think. Okay? Let's see. Ano ba ang outcome / advice for you, Leo? The 9 of Swords. Why? The Ace of Pentacles. Yeah. Some of you, pwedeng yung isang issue dito is the distance. Okay? Pwedeng yung ibang issue dito is like, bakit ang tagal-tagal? Parang ganyan. Bakit ang tagal-tagal? Meron bang chance ng Ace of Pentacles sa amin? May chance ba talaga na merong ganito na mangyari sa amin? This is slow. Okay? Slow. Slowly but surely. Yun ang naririnig ko dito. Some of you, you're overthinking about this. Pero I think this person, gusto lang niyang talagang maging ready. Okay? Gusto lang niya maging ready. Yeah, the Sun. Ayaw niya ng parang, sabihin nating, gagawa ng isang action na pwedeng pagsisisihan rin naman. I don't know kung ano yun. Okay? So, some of you, I'm getting this energy about a surprise coming in. A surprise. Okay? I think this person, sabihin nating, this is like getting out of their comfort zone. Parang, syempre, no? First time lang magagawa to or gagawin. No? Like a proposal or something, yeah, talking about leveling up, parang ganyan, settling down. Meron ako nakikita rito na pwedeng may uuwi galing abroad at magse-settle down na lang dyan kung saan man kayo. Okay? Kasi mahirap din na parang magkakalayo kayo, lalo na kung may anak kayo. Yeah. This is nice though. Yeah, this is nice. Yeah, mahirap nang wala ka. Kailangan ka niya, parang mga ganong bagay. Some of you kasi nagkaroon ng issue dito na parang siguro nung magkasama kayo, like kayo magkaaway sa pamemera, kung kayo is mag-asawa na, may anak na kayo, parang ganyan, kaya hindi niya ma-provide everything kailangan, whether babae, lalaki, kung naman ang gender. Okay, so kayo kinailangan niyang umalis. So stop overthinking if ever iba sa inyo pinangakuan ka niya, some of you, ng kasal pag uwi. That's specific. Yeah, gagawin niya yun. Don't you worry. Okay, so there. This is nice. Stop overthinking. May plano yung person mo. Okay? So, tayo muna sa all signs for Leos. Okay. Nice. Aries through Pisces for Leo placements. Aries taking action. Some of you pwedeng makakuha ka ng message from this Aries. Taurus stepping up. Gemini being hopeless. Some of them may pagmamatigas na ginagawa si Gemini. Cancer feeling complete. Some of them sabihin nating masaya with you. Leo hindi pa sila nakaka-move on. May chance na makakuha ka ng message from them. Virgo This is endings. Silence. Parang cold. Okay? Parang ganyan. Sino na to? Libra. Closure. Some of you, this is closure. Coming from a Leo. No, coming from a Libra. Scorpio. They're held back. Holding back. Communication maybe. Sagittarius, they're moving on. They're healing. Capricorn, they're watching you. Some of you, hindi kayo magkausap ni Capricorn. Virgo. Why Virgo? I'm sorry. Aqua. Aquarius. No communication. Some of them, alam nila kung anong gusto nilang sabihin sa'yo, pero hindi nila kayang isend. Hindi nila kayang sabihin like that. Pisces. They're giving you mixed signals. They're confused, actually. They're stressed. Yeah. Aloof. Anyway, so there. Yun ang aking reading for you, Leo placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.